was supposed to be a dropout. Don't know if this was a dropout.
Now, can I tell you something leading off what we were talking about that's annoying? Do you know what led to the opportunity for the goal line dropout? A missed opportunity of a crossfield kick when they were on the front foot.
Yeah, but so this is it here. Really short, sharp, super zoomed in, and super slow. Byron, is this a drop goal? Drop kick or a grubber?
Okay, because I was gonna say it does hit the ground, but does it hit the ground before his foot hits it? Let's see. See, one more. See, that's on the ground.
But
there, look, there it is. It's on the ground. It's a drop kick.
I still think it's a grubber. It's
it hits the ground. It hits the ground. It is a grubber, but it's a drop kick grubber.
Drop kick grubber. So that's what it's called now. A drop kick grubber.
In order for it to count, the ball has to hit the ground before you kick it. And in the goal line dropout, it has to go 5 meters before you can touch it.
I'm still dirty about that one. I think
it's definitely borderline, but I think by the rules, I think it's fine. But again,
agree to disagree.
It came off an unnecessary crossfield kick that didn't work out.
Yeah.
If they held on to the ball for a few more phases, they could have scored, and this would never have been a thing to talk about.
Still wild. Wild. That, as soon as I saw that, I was like, no ways. There's no ways they're going to give this. And they did.
Lo and behold. Yeah.
I'll try, though. Absolutely crazy. Down the wing.
Great running rugby.
Held the line, drew the defender, popped on the inside, and sent the gas. And
yeah. No, it was good. It definitely sus, but I do think it's a fair try.
Hope you don't referee any Super Rugby games then.
You know how that would be awesome. Don't even lie.
That would be pretty fucking cool.
As long as I don't have to wear that kit.
Oh, the kit. Should I bring the clip up again?
Bring the clip back. Let's see Ben O'Keefe in the great colors of bright blue and yellow.
When I first saw it, I was like, this is actually pretty cool. I actually think I might have a picture of it.
We spoke about it in the first week, and we both agreed, I think the kit's pretty cool. Then I watched the games this weekend, and I was like, I think I'm changing my mind. I think that kit's hideous.
Let's have a look if I do this.
And that's coming from South Africa, who's had Outsurance as the sponsor for the referee kits since the dawn of time.
Yeah.
Which is green and purple. So that's already gross as it is. But I think this is a new, different kind of ugly.
I don't think it's that bad, Byron.
The more I look at it, the worse it gets.
This is the one that's on his Instagram.
It's a bit much. A bit bright. It's a bit bright.
See, now I'm liking it again. Like, I think it's pretty cool. But then, during the weekend, I was like, nah, this is no good.
I'm not for it. I think it's too bright. The crazy part is sky blue is like my favorite color. So for me to say that the kit's ugly and it's got one of my favorite colors of blue is a bit of a slap in the face. You got to know it's ugly.
I think it's I don't know what color this is. Green? Yellow?
It's definitely like reflection vest yellow.
There we go. It's definitely something.
Yeah. It's a wild choice of colors. I think the yellow with the different shorts or the shorts with a different colored top would have been fine. But to have the bright yellow top, the bright blue shorts, and then the bright yellow socks, I just think is wild.
I wonder what boots they have on.
Be black, I guess.
That's wild.